This is the Agile TC625, $350, $370 with shipping, off of Rondo Music. It's a Telecaster copy. It weighs 6 pounds, which is really light if you don't know. It's got the regular Telecaster sound that you'd expect. It's comparable to the Made in Mexico Fender, maybe even a little better, because I've noticed that the Made in Mexico ones often have a little bit of a... Come on. Alright, I can't really focus here. There's usually a little gap there on the Fender ones, but on this one it's really tight, and that's nice. There's no gap. The bridge here is what's most different than from the real Telecaster. The bridge is totally different. It's got T saddles, but there's 6 of them instead of like the big saddles on the Fenders. It sounds nice and it stays in tune really well, much better than the SX. It sounds great. It's got a bit more clarity than the SX does, and I think it has higher output. It seems to be louder on the same settings that I play the SX on, but that might just be in my head. I know for sure it's definitely got more clarity than the SX did. It's got a lot of twang. It sounds great with country music on the bridge. I play with it on the neck actually most of the time. And I carefully searched the guitar looking for any finish issues or construction issues, and the only thing I could find is, which you've probably already seen, is that this neck pickup here, it's a little diagonal in there. I'm going to have that fixed whenever I have the guitar set up. I was planning on doing that anyway for the frets. After adjusting the truss rod to where there's a little bit of bow, maybe, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to file. I'm gonna have to have it set up. I might try putting a little bit more bow in it, but not much more. I'm not gonna go probably more than maybe 1 turn, and that'll be it. So it sounds great. The fret buzz is a problem, but I plan to have it set up anyway, so they'll get rid of that with filing the frets. The knobs are nicer than the SX. Pearloy pickguard's nice. It's a 3-piece, not a 2-piece like they say. The F-hole is nice and it's semi-hollow. It seems to be pretty clean all along the edge. The binding looks really nice on the guitar. Cream binding. The Grover tuners are what makes this stay in tune better, I suppose. It's much better. That's what makes it way better than the SX. So that's enough talking. Let's just plug it in. Oh yeah, one more thing. It's got a graphite, not a bone nut. So plug it in now. I'm gonna put it on twin reverb, so there's no distortion, and then I'm gonna turn off the reverb, so it should be no modulation, no reverb, just clean. Yep. So, see what it sounds like, just clean. Okay. can hear the fret buzz a little bit if I pick hard enough. There it is, yeah. So hopefully they'll get rid of that when I have it set up. But it still sounds nice. Probably post a video of that whole Little Wing song for comparison to the SX.